Okay, 17. So I want to express this root 3 cos theta minus sin theta in the form r cos theta plus alpha, or r and alpha to be determined. So first thing I do then, I equate root 3 cos theta minus sin theta equal to r cos theta plus alpha. Then to expand the right hand side, if I look at the formula here, so because I got cos theta plus alpha, cos of a plus b, cos minus sin. So expanding the right hand side is equal to r, and then it's cos theta cos alpha minus r sin theta sin alpha. Remember the r outside, we'll multiply both those terms inside. Then we compare coefficients of cos theta. I got root 3 in front of the cos theta on the left hand side, and on the right hand side I got r cos alpha. And for sin theta, just the minus signs match up, so I can ignore the signs. Sin theta on the left hand side in front of sin theta is 1, and sin theta on the right hand side is r sin alpha. Okay, so to find alpha, if I divide these two equations, and make sure you put the sin alpha on top. So dividing, I got r sin alpha divided by r cos alpha is 1 divided by root 3. The r's cancel off, and sin alpha divided by cos alpha, that's tan alpha, is 1 over root 3. So to find alpha, yes, typing in shift tan 1 over square root of 3, that's 30 degrees. So alpha is 30 degrees, and then to find r, I square and add the two equations. So going on the right hand side, there's r squared cos squared alpha plus r squared sin squared alpha is root 3 squared plus 1 squared. Factorize the left hand side, that's r squared bracket cos squared alpha plus sin squared alpha. Square root 3 is 3, square 1 is 1, so cos squared plus sin squared is 1, so that gives me r squared is equal to 4, so r is the square root of 4, r is 2. So root 3 cos theta minus sin theta can be written as r, which is 2 cos of theta plus alpha, which is 30. Then part A asks me to hence solve. So I'm now solving root 3 cos theta minus sin theta equals 1. So I can change that now. The left hand side is the same as 2 cos of theta plus 30 equals 1. Now this now is very similar now to the C2 equation. So that's cos of theta plus 30 is equal to half. So solve for theta plus 30. And I'm solving the range 0 to 360. So theta plus 30 will be cos to minus 1 over half. So to get all the angles, if I draw the cos graph, and then because when I get my answers I'm going to be subtracting 30, although it says between 0 and 360, I need to draw this graph one quadrant further than the 360. So it's 1 plus minus 1. So it's for the markers for the graph. So the graph look like that. 0, 90, 270, 360, and 450. And do cos to the minus 1 over half. That's a half. There's the first angle down there. There's the second angle there. There's the third angle there. So that's theta plus 30 equals, so cos to the minus 1 over half. You probably know this, but let's just make sure. Okay, that's 60 degrees, so that's equal to 60. The second angle here by symmetry, okay, is 360 minus 60. And the one that goes past, there's the 450 there, so it's 360 plus 60. So I got theta plus 30 is 60, 300 and 420, and then to find theta I subtract 30 from each of these. So theta is 60, that's 30 degrees, 270 degrees, and this one is 390, so that's out of the range. So my answers for that are just 30 and 270. Okay, so, and then part B, I want the minimum value of 3 over root 3 cos theta minus sin theta plus 4. So if I link up first of all what I've done, I've found that expression can be written as 2 cos theta plus 30 plus 4. And then 2 cos of theta plus 30, okay, if you do the graph, it's a cos graph which runs from minus 1 to 1. The theta plus 30 will just slide the graph sideways, so the greatest and least values are still 1 and minus 1, and then multiplying by 2, that stretches the y values, so this, the two extremes of this expression, that graph runs from minus 2 to 2. Okay, so this expression on the bottom here can either be minus 2 or plus 2. So the two extreme values of this expression would be 3 over minus 2 plus 4 and 3 over 2 plus 4. So 4 taken 2 is 2, so this one is 3 over 2 and this one is 3 over 6. And the question was the least value. Well, I can see the 3 over 2 is the greatest value, 3/6 is the least value. So the least value is 3/6, which cancels down to a half.